Welcome to READO Bharat. Today's review is City of Silence by Kiran Mehta, a contemporary Indian novel that explores loneliness, connection, and the quiet spaces of city life. Kiran Mehta is known for writing intimate urban stories that study the emotional lives of everyday people. Her work often focuses on the quiet details, those small pauses and gaps that reveal who we really are. City of Silence follows a woman navigating life in a bustling Indian metropolis. She appears to have everything: job, stability, routine, yet she feels invisible. The novel captures long moments of reflection, small interactions with strangers, and the emotional weight of carrying memories in a city that never stops moving. It's quiet, thoughtful, and centered around her inner world. One of the strengths of this book is how it uses silence as a language. The writing blends the city's noise with her inner stillness, turning contrast into emotion. Kiran Mehta captures isolation in modern life, the ache of unspoken words, the slow discovery of one's voice, the beauty hidden in ordinary days. The city becomes a character. Crowded streets, distant skylines, benches, and long commutes weave into her emotional journey. For some readers, the slow pacing may feel too quiet. Certain chapters focus more on interior monologue than plot. If you prefer fast action, this might feel too meditative. This book is perfect for readers who enjoy character driven stories, introspective writing, women centered narratives, and quiet emotional arcs. If you liked books like The Namesake, The God of Small Things, or Milk Teeth, this will resonate. In summary, City of Silence is gentle, emotional, and deeply relatable. It captures the quiet truths of city living and the courage it takes to find one's own voice. For more reviews of Indian authors, subscribe to READO Bharat, India's Books, your next read.